Look at that giant airplane outside the window right now, Lily. Ah! It is so big, Leo. Are we flying on that one?
Put your bags in the overhead bin right above our seats.
I want to stand up and see the other planes moving.
The plane is preparing to leave. You must sit down immediately.
Let me help you pull the seatbelt across your body, Lily. Is my seatbelt tight enough now, Mom? It feels very secure. Yes, it is perfect. Always check your seatbelt before we depart. Welcome aboard, everyone. Please pay attention to our important safety instructions. Mom, look! She is showing us how to use the seatbelt. And she is pointing to the emergency exit doors over there.
Even if we know this, we still need to listen carefully.
Every airplane is different, so we must always pay close attention. I can hear the loud engines starting. We are moving now. The airplane is rolling onto the runway. I am so excited.
Leo, please sit up straight and check your seatbelt one more time.
My seatbelt is fastened securely. Our amazing family adventure begins right now. Dad, why do we need seatbelts when we are not flying yet?
Well, Leo, we need them because seatbelts keep us safe if the plane suddenly stops or shakes hard.
Let me show you the seatbelt sign above our heads, Leo. Oh, I see it. The light is turned on right now. When that light is on, everyone must sit and buckle up. What if the light turns off during the flight later on?
We have lights for that, little guy. It is still best to keep your seatbelt fastened loosely anyway.
Remember, you must never run or play in the narrow aisles.
And do not open the overhead bins without asking for help.
We must always listen to the flight attendants during the trip. Look at this safety card in the seat pocket today, Leo. It has many pictures about keeping safe on the airplane, Lily. We are ready for takeoff. Please ensure your seats are upright.
Fold your tray tables up, kids. We are going up soon.
The engines are so loud. We are going very fast now. I feel pushed back into my seat, Mom. Hold my hand. Do not worry, Lily. That is completely normal during the takeoff. Look out the window. The buildings look so small down there. Wow, the cars and houses look like tiny little toys, Mom. I want to get closer to the window to see better.
Leo, you must keep your seatbelt on while we go up.
We are flying high above the white clouds now. So beautiful.
The seatbelt sign just turned off. The plane is flying smoothly.
I will loosen my seatbelt a bit, but keep it on.
Good job, Leo. You are protecting yourself without being asked to.
Would you like some delicious food and drinks for your lunch?
Yes, please. I would love some chicken and a fruit juice. I want the pasta and some cold water, please. Thank you.
Open your tray tables carefully and do not spill your drinks.
I want to put my toy box next to my cup.
Lily, if the plane shakes, your toy might fall down suddenly.
You are right, Dad. I will put it back in the pocket. Where are we going to visit first when we land today?
We will go straight to the lovely beach near our hotel.
Look at that woman across the aisle. She looks very nervous.
Some people feel a little scared when they fly today, Leo.
Did you hear that ding sound? The seatbelt sign is back on.
We are experiencing some turbulence. Please return to your seats immediately. Lily, let me check your seatbelt again to ensure it is tight.
Leo, sit back and make sure your belt is securely fastened.
The airplane is shaking a little bit.
Are we okay, Dad? We are perfectly safe, Leo. Just remember the rules we learned.
Yes, sit back, keep the belt on, and do not stand. I am holding my seatbelt tightly. I feel very safe now. Mom, the lady in the front is looking out the window nervously.
She might be frightened by the sudden shaking of the airplane. It's just turbulence. We'll be okay. Excuse me. Is the airplane having a serious problem right now? No, ma'am. This is just normal turbulence. Please stay seated safely. I have never flown before. This shaking is making me terrified.
Dad, she is breathing so fast and gripping the armrest tightly.
Sometimes, the turbulence feels much scarier when you do not understand it.
I want to help her, but I cannot leave my seat now.
You can just talk to her from right where you are sitting.
Hello, ma'am. My dad just explained the turbulence to us today.
Oh? He did? Is this normal for the airplane to shake?
Yes, it is just like driving over a bumpy road outside. You should look at a fixed point inside the cabin right now. Everything is going to be all right. We are completely safe here.
Thank you, kids. I am feeling much more relaxed and calm now.
Look at that man trying to open the overhead bin back there. Oh.
Sir, the seatbelt sign is still on. Please sit down right away.
That is exactly why you must stay seated during the bumpy ride.
The airplane is shaking less now. Can we unbuckle our seatbelts, Leo? No, Lily. The light is still on. We must wait for instructions.
You are a very smart boy. I will keep my belt fastened. I am very proud of you for remembering all the important rules.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have cleared the turbulence. The seatbelt sign is off.
Thank you so much for talking to me earlier, young man.
You are very welcome. I am glad you feel better now today.
Remember, helping people is great, but always keep yourself safe first. We are preparing to land. Please secure your tray tables and belongings.
I am putting my toys away inside my small backpack right now. My tray table is closed, and my seat is completely upright, Mom.
Let us check the floor to make sure nothing is left behind.
Look at the beautiful city down there. It is getting so huge. We are touching down. The airplane is slowing down on the runway. Hooray! Our first amazing airplane trip has finished very safely today. Goodbye, ma'am. Have a wonderful vacation with your lover's family today.
What is the most important lesson you learned on this flight today?
Always wear your seatbelt and listen carefully to the flight crew. Stay calm, follow the rules, and help others safely without any panic.
Mm-hmm.